The product selected is access to the private pre-IPO club. You asked, will the Fed's next interest rate hike kill the S&P 500's rally? That's a solid, timely question. But an even better question, the one real investors should be asking, is this: which market sectors are structurally immune to the Fed's short-term moves right now? And how do I position myself there? I'll answer that. The key to navigating this is not watching the S&P 500, it's understanding the flows. The market's overall P, or price-to-earnings, ratio is high. Yes, but two things override the rate fear. First, the massive corporate share buybacks that are mechanically reducing supply. Second, and more crucial, the insane amount of private capital flowing into the pre-IPO and high-growth sectors. The big money has already accepted that the Fed will hike and is moving to assets where the growth story is so explosive it dwarfs the cost of capital. We saw this play out in our closed channels analysis 3 months ago, specifically identifying healthcare tech and select energy transition plays before the market fully caught on. This is just one question, but successful investing requires answers to hundreds of these better questions daily. You simply won't find this depth of analysis in the public domain. That's why I created the private pre-IPO club. Forget chasing the old indices. This club gives you exclusive access to the deals, the deep dive analytics, and the validated strategies used by the pros to enter high-growth companies before they hit the public market. You get the chance to plant your capital where the biggest structural gains are made, completely bypassing the short-term volatility of the Federal. And here's the kicker. Access is a single, one-time payment for lifetime membership. That means a lifelong edge for a single fee. To keep the quality high, we strictly limit new members. Tap the link in my bio, grab your lifetime access to the private pre-IPO club right now, and stop worrying about the Federal Invest smarter, not harder.